In this video, I will show you how to add a DKIM record in Cloudflare. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. First of all, let's understand what DKIM is. DKIM stands for Domain Keys Identified Mail, and it's an email authentication protocol that verifies the sender's domain to ensure messages aren't altered in transit. So to obtain your DKIM information, you need to go to your email provider. So it could either be Google Workplace or Microsoft 365 or any hosting provider. And they are going to generate or retrieve the DKIM key for you, which you're going to input in your Cloudflare. I'm going to assume you've already obtained that key, and I'm going to show you how to put it in Cloudflare. Now, first of all, you're going to log in to your Cloudflare account. Once you're logged in and you're authenticated, you're going to look for the domain in which you want to add this DKIM record. After you do that, then you go to DNS. Now in DNS, you're going to scroll down until you see the Add Record button. You're going to click on Add Record. And the type for DKIM records is a text. So you're going to add a TXT type. For the name, what we're going to do is we're going to add the name to our selector. So the selector that you're going to get from your email provider, you're going to add a name for it, and it's usually like this. This is what the DKIM name looks like, and you can set your TTL to auto, or you can choose the time for it. And for the content, you're going to paste in the public key from your DKIM provider. This is what the public key usually starts with, and from here is going to be your actual key. And once you're done putting that in, you're going to click on save. Once that's saved, it's going to show at the top of the list here, and it's going to take a few minutes to propagate. Once that's done, your DKIM record will be set in Cloudflare. And that's how you add a DKIM record in Cloudflare. If you find this helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.